Namaste all. Namaste all. Today we are going to discuss about the scientific success secret. Before going to that, we will try to understand the human experience in day-to-day life in the five dimensions. So if you see this logo represents the five dimensions of human experience. So one is this can be represented with the word SIFTS. S stands for the sensations of our physical body. I stands for the imagination, which represents the working of mind. F represents the feelings, which represents the component of emotions, all our emotions together and based on our experience. And T stands for the thoughts, which is generated based on our experience and all our senses. And finally, everything is encompassed in the source. So this center S represents the this center S represents the source, and remaining four S's represent the four states of human experience. If you see this side, it is represents a flower. That flower can be represented as the beauty of the nature. So we will try to understand the secret behind that beauty. That means the simplicity is the secret behind the beauty. So how to simplify ourselves in our day-to-day process such that we will get the optimal experience on our day-to-day life. So all these concepts can be combined into RLGS, that is responsible learning and genius simulation in you. So this will bring. So H represents the hand, heart, head and heart. So hand, head, heart coordination. So hand represents our physical dimension, head represents the our mind space, heart represents the our emotions, energy and source of all. So when we have a coordination between all those things, we will get the optimal experience in our day-to-day life. The coordination to get the optimal experience in our day-to-day life. But how to get the coordination between hand, head and heart? Hand represents the physical body, head represents the mind space, heart represents the our energy, emotions and source. So how to get that? What is the science behind that? Is the D theory. So D theory represents the desire, dreams and external demands and doing. So here the D is nothing but the desires. Dreams are our driving force for our day-to-day life. So that's why how to organize the D's so that we will get the optimal experience in our day-to-day life. So if you see that the first step we will do on a daily basis is what are all our desires and dreams, and based on the our day-to-day progress we will get some external demands that will also we will include in the list, and we will try to do as many as possible. But when if you want to do any action, we have only two possible options. One is external doing, another one is internal doing. So external doing we require lot of skills, knowledge to about that particular activity that we need to fulfill, whereas internal we need to understand the mechanism of human experience such that we can optimize our day-to-day process. This can be classified external and internal with the concept of lid. So if you clearly observe your physical mechanism, if you just close your eyelid, you will entering into the dark phase. But we never realize the art of or power of the darkness. That's why we will start with a fear. So there we need to work some time so that we will get the freedom in our day-to-day process. So in the process of doing this we are enjoying, and which will translate into attitudes and finally knowledge, and if we are doing repeatedly it will become skills. The process of doing itself we are enjoying, so it will produce the smiles in everyone's face. Next, all these concepts can be converted into one important tool known as responsible learning. So responsible learning only brings the genius can be simulated in you. So that's why we call it as this group as responsible learning genius simulation in you. Namaste. Naturally articulate Magritte successfully transfer energy. Namaste, namaste, namaste. Thank you. Bye.